Imagine I have thousands of images in a folder and I have trained a model using these images to detect my face. Will the model be able to recognize me as Jyoti? Yes, it is possible with deep learning. And this process is known as facial recognition. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses deep neural networks, which consists of many interconnected layers. Here, the term deep reflects the number of layers in the network, which enables the model to learn complex patterns in the data. We human beings recognize faces by identifying key features such as the eyes, nose, and lips. Machines represent these features in numbers. The model processes this numerical data through multiple layers of neurons, each layer transforming the data in a way that helps the network learn to recognize and differentiate between various faces. The process involves using activation functions, loss functions, and optimization techniques like backward propagation to improve the model's accuracy over time. Ultimately, deep learning allows machines to make informed decisions based on the patterns they have learned from the training data. Do you know technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and natural language processing use Python? Python has many libraries that support these technologies. If you missed my previous video on why you need to learn Python to future proof your skills, please watch it. Also, please subscribe to the Target45 channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to others and it would be helpful. Thank you.